In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper in your Epson XP 5200. First step is to simply glide your finger right over here where you see a gap on the front of the printer, pull it down, and then you'll be able to pull the whole drawer out. At the end of the drawer, you can see over here LGL. This is only if you want to print on legal size paper, which is the largest paper this printer is capable of printing on. If you want to do that, you need to push on the small latch because the paper will go above this line over here. But in this case, I just want to insert regular letter size, US letter size paper, so I'll keep it like this. Then we have these plastic guides. If you want to print on envelope, you can leave it like this and simply glide the envelope between these. But since we're printing on letter size, you're gonna pinch over here and you're gonna put these to the extremities. And we're gonna simply glide the paper, okay, until we can't do it anymore. At the end, close this drawer over there and push everything in the printer. Just like that. Very easy. Thanks for watching. If you want paper for your printer, I'll put links in Amazon. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.